making Monster Snot slime, and it's really simple and really easy, so I really hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get started.
So there are four main ingredients. First, we need glue. Clear glue would work a lot better for the Monster Snot aspect, but white glue works perfectly too. Cornstarch, contact solution, and food dye. I'm using green and just a dot of red. So you're also going to need a bowl and a spoon to mix your ingredients in. And the first thing we're going to do is pour in our glue into the bowl. I'm using an entire bottle, and this bottle is 4 fluid ounces, but you can add more or less if you choose to. Next, I added my green food dye to the glue, and I added a few drops of green and then 1 dot of red and mixed, just because I wanted a darker cool green. You can add a bit more red and it will make it a brown green color. Just experiment with the color and mix that well. Next, I added half a teaspoon of baking soda and mixed it well. You can add a 1/4 cup of water if you want your monsters not to be a bit more stretchy. Next, we're going to slowly add in our contact solution to the glue. So you put a little bit in, then you mix it, and then you just add a bit more until it starts to pick up around the bowl. And make sure that your contact solution has boric acid in the ingredients, because this is what activates your slime. Mix and keep adding until the slime starts to ball up into one shape, and once it does this, you can go in with your hands and knead it, and you're done. If it's still really sticky, you can add more contact solution to your fingertips and keep it going until it's to your liking. For the science aspect behind this activity, it all has to do with chemistry. These different materials come together to create this new mixture. Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. A non-Newtonian fluid is neither a liquid nor a solid, and it can be picked up like a solid, but it can also ooze like a liquid.
So members, that was our Monster Snot slime activity. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!